Superstores. Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yetu nigo engale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate etime tembo abuwe bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na wigo cyo tebereye kindi cyose uraganie bagotebereye company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuari yechikala ao na wigo ayuwiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate no corrugated na wigo box corrugated asiko babwate boomerang ayuari ayechigech emerungetato asama mabati aliaje chigech emerungebire babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabono lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green ubutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer babwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo uchikunyara kwa bogo tumuka chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom unyara kwa bogo kwerera amabwate yu akomenya sebeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoburu wikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yebutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imuyumuchuligo musongo iyuerange neduka ya Safaricom wigo tukotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetara seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza wadogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Happy New Month na boigo happy Madaraka Day omwanchwa omuriyo Getembe TV. Kene Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo wenge nchongoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Wilson makori kura somuna we banyerio na boigo balnaba sonari kuri studio akabina ragongonya kwene kyabura chibichechi na Mario Yingo ikera chira senchira yo wekera nkabana intogo ikomo to komanye na boigo togo semi igati aria America gwateka anena mono chinkwa na chiabarai korwa imenaisko yo rogongorwa gusi anena mono kura serikali enene litukeriga ensi ya Kenya egochengera Madaraka Day nigo ya renge etarike ya yenye ugatana na rimo mwaka bweriwe ya moti mikiana merongo etano mone tatu 1963 rituko Kenya boigo yenyorete bosibore ime gose yetenenirete egento kimanyikaine buna intano self rule kurwa ase omokoroni ekene getambo kero boigo egetanga nikegima bosibore obo ense ya Kenya ya chete konyora chitariki 12 omotinyi 12 omwaka oyubweriwe ya moti mikiana merongo etano na mone tatu 1963 rituko ensi ya Kenya manyete oserokete rituko riria Jamhuri Day. Nyuma ya Madaraka Day Kenya nigo yabete omokoroni anene mono gochiase omo British ase geka kyo myaka 40 ase ensi ya Kenya yabete kegwetera amakongo amange mono. Gati omwaka bweriwe ya moti mikianda 52 1952 goika omwaka bweriwe ya moti mikianda 50 mu 1960 nigo egati abarayikorwa ensi ya Kenya bakora wano Nyaboga Jomo Kenyatta barosetie ekiombe kerike manyekaine buna mau ase abange baote abuna ekiminute buna mzungu arudi Ulaya mu Afrika apate uhuru ekyo kyare kwamereria oborayi bwo mokoroni. Gati omwaka oyo bwerwe ya moti mikianda 50 mu 1960 goika omwaka bwerwe ya moti mikianda 50 mu 1962 nigo ebikare binge byabete bigokorekana imeyensere ya London ebikara boigo bimanyekaine buna Lancaster Conference. Ekyo osebikare ebyo nigo birete Kenya konyora obosibore bwose gwetenenera rituko eriga rya Madaraka rituko ritangane omutinyo katano nalimo omwaka bwerwe ya moti mikianda 53 na rituko eryo omu Prime Minister gose Nyaboga Jomo Kenyatta akaba omu Prime Minister bono omutangani kora ense eyiga ya Kenya. Rituko ryarera omutinyo rituko ryarera chitariki chintangani omotenyi ogatano nalimo omwaka oyega 2025 di ensi ya Kenya nigo bono yachengera rituko rya Madaraka Day ane mono Madaraka ye 52 gose the 62 Madaraka Day kosa kira chinga kecho Kenya bono yabete kegwetenenera omuyego yega nigo okorekana ase getige chigasori kya Raila Odinga imeye county ya Homa Bay ase abarai awo kore serikali baba bagwikerana ase nsemeyo muraiwensi ya Kenya moske Daktari William Samoei Ruto nigo ara omuyego yo korende bono totegere chinkwano chegati ya abarai bali baba kwana ase omuyego yo.
Anayependa Kenya ni yule mwenye kutenda haki kwa watu wote. Daima anayependa haki, daima anayependa haki, daima.
In celebrating women's leadership as a member of the G7 Women Governors Caucus, we are delighted and inspired to be joined today by our guest, Madam President, Her Excellency Natasha from Slovenia, the only country in the world with love in its name. We celebrate women leaders on whose shoulders we stand. Mama Phoebe Asio, Mama Rachel Ruto, and Minpin, Her Excellency Dr. Canon Ida Betty Odinga, among many others. We thank the people of Homa Bay for electing women leaders, as we are among the few counties that have achieved the 2/3 gender rule with the election of Honorable Millie Mabona, Honorable Dr. Ivo Bara, Honorable Dr. Lilian Gogo, Honorable Bensouda, and Senator Beatrice Ogola.
Your Excellency, at that time, they coined a constitution that had devolution in it, called Majimbo at that time. Over the years, Your Excellency, there were changes. Eventually, when we struggled, we brought back devolution in our constitution. This devolution, Your Excellency, has had several challenges. I want to invite you, Your Excellency, to ensure that devolution works. Empower the devolution. Number one, by giving more resources coming down to the counties. Let the counties have sufficient resources so that they can be able to provide services to the people.
We look forward to your partnership, yourself and His Excellency Raila Odinga and the rest of us who are fortunate to be in leadership positions, to build a more united Kenya, a more inclusive Kenya, where one's place of birth, religion, ethnicity doesn't have to count. Rather, their merit and what they bring on board in the contribution of our national development is what matters. I want to appeal that we also bring on board all generations, so that the younger people, the older people, the children, and even the generations to come, we all find ourselves in that one ecosystem, because we all belong to this country. No generation is superior to the other.
Sustainable economic growth, protection of rich biodiversity, a strong will to keep pace with rapid scientific development, a commitment to multilateralism, to international cooperation and tackling common problems. These are the values that unite us. The international importance of the country is reflected in the fact that several United Nations agencies are based here. Both our countries believe in multilateralism because peace, justice and prosperity should not be the privilege of some at the expense of others. We are, after all, an international community, and in a community we look.
Nabono mwancho muria totigerere anene muno chingwana chiria omorai wense moski daktari wa Samuel Ruto abakwa gukwana asayo gukwana ekero anene muno ara omuyigoyo morai wense nigo arubo semya gochasa bakenya nabo yokoboria batware oboremu erigo ikeria keria batagete gose baganete aseboigo airera obyobo gochengera ritukerigaria madaraka day.
Some do not believe that we deserve the good that comes with positive change. Others think we are too poor or even in the wrong part of the world. Yet still, others do not want to see changes that benefit ordinary people or make life better for everyone. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to persuade the doubters that no one else is going to bring change except us, and that the only way to build the Kenya we want is by embracing change, however uncomfortable it may seem at first, and that we must possess the self-belief individually and collectively to approach our tasks boldly, confidently, and with determination in order to deliver new, more and better, sooner rather than later. This renewal of our commitment to deliver on the fundamental mandate of Madaraka is inspired by the enduring spirit of self-determination through which we vow to give ourselves not only what was denied us during colonialism, but also what every citizen and every human being deserves. That is liberty, dignity, security, and opportunity. Madaraka affirms our collective faith, shared across generations of Kenyan patriots, that through hard work, innovation, and resilience, our farmers, traders, young people, workers, and professionals will rise to the occasion. With the strength of our imagination and effort, we can and must transform this nation. I thank you all. God bless you. God bless our great country, Kenya. Thank you very much.
Chinga chechecho morai wense nigo akwanera umorobere obwechsemi OCBE gose competence based education ase anene mono chinga kechiga aborokiwo abatanga nibo morobere yo bagochia goso senior secondary school omwaka ogocha asateba niga serikali eragendere kolika aborokia nabo igo serikali negendere gosira chi school cho babundi gose chi TVETs.
To address persistent challenges such as irregular premiums and other contributions among informal sector workers, we are introducing an innovative and inclusive payment solution called Lipa Sha Pole Pole or Lipa Sha Mosmos. This initiative enables Kenyans to remit their annual SHA contributions through flexible, manageable installments, whether monthly, weekly, or even daily, based on their financial ability. It ensures families maintain continuous health coverage without financial strain, while simultaneously promoting the sustainability of the health insurance fund. The most transformational shift of our education system in over 6 decades. We have successfully transitioned to a competence-based education system, moving away from rote learning towards a dynamic, skills-based approach aligned with the 21st century needs and our socio-economic goals. Our next priority is to ensure every school has infrastructure and equipment needed to support both learners and teachers. To support this transition, and respond to the needs of our growing population, we have undertaken the largest teacher recruitment drive since independence, employing 76,000 new teachers over a period of 2 years, and are on course on additional 24,000 teachers by January next year. We also have built more than 23,000 additional classrooms, easing pressure on existing infrastructure and shielding teachers and learners from the burden of overcrowded classrooms. At the tertiary level, we have revolutionized education financing through a new student-centered funding model that ensures the sustainability of our TVETs and universities while expanding access for learners. Today, students from poor families get up to 90% of government scholarships, with parents paying only a nominal fee. In recognition of the transformative power of technical and vocational education and training in tackling pressing socioeconomic challenges such as youth unemployment, skills gaps, and poverty, the government is aggressively scaling up investment.
Na korwa asense media yobo chenu anene mono gwakanira omurubiri bobo bwenyosha nigo eserikali wetera ewizara yobo chenu gekubwatirana nechi cooperatives nabo igo ebyombe ebikebike yachakirio omurubiri omanyakaine buna lipa pole pole nasha oselipa sha pole pole asebono aba Kenya basemi wose baboriwe go dial *147 erikwerike nabo igo banyare gwakanira omurubiri ryo sha pole pole.
To address persistent challenges such as irregular premiums and other contributions among informal sector workers, we are introducing an innovative and inclusive payment solution called Lipa Sha Pole Pole or Lipa Sha Mosmos. This initiative enables Kenyans to remit their annual SHA contributions through flexible, manageable installments, whether monthly, weekly, or even daily, based on their financial ability. It ensures families maintain continuous health coverage without financial strain, while simultaneously promoting the sustainability of the health insurance fund. Lipa Sha Pole Pole has been made possible through a strategic partnership between the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Cooperatives and MSMEs, mobile network operators, and financial institutions through the Hustler Fund. The system is simple and accessible to citizens. Citizens can dial *147# and follow the prompts to enroll and begin their contributions immediately.
Na korwa orogongorwa gusi anemono county ya Kisii omoyogo yonigo okorekana segetige chigosori kya Gusii Stadium omoyega obagokora no mugavana we county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simba arati gokwana ekero ara omoyogo yose gokwana kerekyo Paul Simba nigo abaka gokwanera emerobire oya magendo abere ka okora ase county ya Kisii na boigo eyo arachi gokora usarobire tego chigokora anemono korwa sense meri yetsemi na boigo ense meria yobocheno.
Wimboni naimba siyo wimboni maombi, nikiomba Mwenyezi Mungu aibariki Kenya yangu, kwa jina la Baba na la Mwana Roho Mtakatifu, amina. Ewe Kenya nchi yangu, ewe Kenya baba yangu, kelele shangwe vigelegele tafadhali, sitakuacha milele.
Today we gather in unity and pride to make the 62th anniversary of Madaraka Day, a day that holds deep significantly for every Kenyan. It's a day when we remember the moment our nation took its dignity into its own hands, stepping boldly into the era of self-governance. This historic occasion is not only a celebration, but a solemn reminder of the immense sacrifice made by our forefathers. We are in the final stages of completing Mother and Child Hospital MCH wing at the Kisii Hospital. Once operational, this facility will provide specialized care to expectant mothers, newborns, and children under 5. It will offer comprehensive prenatal and postnatal pediatric services under one roof, significantly reducing maternal death. To address staffing shortage, the County Public Service Board is actively recruiting more health workers across all cadres and encourages the promotion of serving staff. On issues of education and youth empowerment, education is the foundation upon which we build our future. The county has structured and upgraded numerous early childhood development, ECD centers and vocational training, VTCs, across most sub-counties and wards. Some of these projects are complete. We are employing ECD teachers on permanent and professional stamps, providing them with the security and motivation to nurture our children. We recognize the importance of empowering our youth beyond classrooms through our Ajiri Center. We are equipping young people with practical skills in information and communication technology, ICT, preparing them for jobs.
Mwanchwa umurio Getembe TV na rayo kura Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi anene muno litukeriga ense ya Kenya ekochengera litukoria madaraka de ibere na nyecho botuko bwarero Dennis Our na chokoreta rayo muna yanda manga senchera eyobwikira ninchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga wisoni makuru kura sumuna hoyi manyere na boyo kura studio kabere Barnabas ondari nero tokonya kone kabuna chibichechi na maringo ikira senchera reyobukara twara oburiyo burobya asemro buri ya Getembe TV kubota tumera ne litukoria ankyo na boyigo madaraka ingia.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yancheri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokia liso yao chingagi ogoswasa yekurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate etime tembo abuwe bago kolimiro ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho teberia kende kinsi uragania bago teberia company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingencho au ayuari ye chikala au na wigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges au unamono babwata nemo corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwata boomerang ayuari aye chigech emerungetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibire na isaro na sato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bono lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabati liga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya bwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sivika ayo chani warrant na wigo ayo urakoburwa kasure asubwango eduka nyega ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex iri mu Kiringo Musongo iywera hamwe n'eduka ya Safaricom mwigo tukotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iywere hamwe n'ebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakeresi bigotera sete namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ne noga niko kolerwa live